Hi, in this lesson you will learn how to calculate the sum and average of first n natural number in Python. So first step, it will accept a number from user using input function. Next we will convert user input as integer. Next we will execute a loop until that number. Now we will take a variable sum, and for each iteration the value of I will be added to variable sum. When the loop ends, we will see sum of n natural numbers is sum, and for average we will simply divide the sum by total number. So showing it to user, average of n natural number is average. So just test it out. So enter number 10. So it's giving us 45 from uh, n, which from 0 to 9, as this range functions continues one less than the parameter we pass to it. So to get actually from 1 to until that number, we will just pass a starting index, a starting value, and adding 1 to that value to actually get sum of number from 1 to that number. So in our case, if we enter 10, so we have to get sum of 10 natural number, which is actually 55 from 1 to 10. So now if we test it out, we should get 55, and we are getting 55. So from now we are getting sum of n natural numbers, means we entered 10, so we are getting sum of numbers from 1 to 10, and average of 10 natural numbers by simply 55 divided by 10 give us 5.5. So that's how we calculate the sum and average of first n natural numbers in Python. That's all for today. Thank you.